A warm welcome to our respected principal sir, teachers, parents and my dear students. On special occasion of this Independence Day, August 15th. Today we celebrate the 18th Independence Day, August 15th. First I wish you all a very happy Independence Day to all. Now today so many programs are there, children. Let's do to watch and enjoy the whole program. Thank you. Now principal sir will give a speech. So
okay children, very good morning to all of you.
good morning,
Yes, good morning to all the dear teachers and parents and everybody who are watching our channel. And today is a very wonderful, great day in our country. Why? Because we got independence. Yes. So very long ago we got the independence. How much long ago means 80 years ago. That time you were not born, I was not born, right? Yes. Even my father was not born. At that time we got the independence. And so, how was our country before 80 years? It was not like this, right? It was very different. And then, our country had so many challenges during those years because we had lived our life under the British rule. British ruled India for about 200 years. Exactly speaking, 190 years, roughly 200 years, British have ruled our country. And finally, after a long, great struggle by the Indians, especially the freedom fighters, those who fought for the freedom are called freedom fighters. And because of their great hard work, India finally became independent in the year 1947 on the 15th of August midnight. The first Prime Minister of our country, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he gave the first Independence Day speech on the midnight, 12 o'clock on 15th of August. And you can see the video also in the YouTube whenever you have time. And then every year we hoist the flag in Red Fort by the Prime Minister on this great occasion. So children, today I want to show you some heroes of our country. Not the heroes on the screen, not the heroes of television, not the heroes of Tollywood or Bollywood or Collywood. These heroes are the heroes of freedom fight. Okay? Not only heroes, heroines are also there. There are women freedom fighters also who fought great along with the men. And finally, by the hard work of men freedom fighters and women freedom fighters, those great heroes and heroines, we got finally independence. Of course, some pictures I have with me I want to show you. But then some more pictures are there on the blackboard over there. When you have some time, you can look over those pictures. You will find them. Okay, today we will just look at some pics. Okay. First, we will see the great person. Do you know who this person is? He is M.K. Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Okay, he is called the father of nation, and he has done so much contribution. He has given so much contribution to our Indian freedom fight, and he was greatly educated. He was a lawyer. Okay, he went to South Africa to fight on behalf of blacks to get the equality between blacks and whites. He is not only a hero for India, but all over the world he is very much well known. In almost all the countries of the world, you will find at least one page about Mahatma Gandhi in all the schools around the world, not just only in India. And the Quit India movement, Salt Satyagraha, Gandhi March. Oh, there are so many movements like this, if we can say. With a big long empty list. He alone, without a weapon, without lathi, without gun, okay, without any war, only with peaceful protest, only with non-violence, truth, he brought the freedom. So we all have to walk in the steps of Gandhi. Okay? Okay, children? Then we will talk about the next man here. Who is this person? Yes, teachers are guessing correctly. He is Mr. Jagdish Chandra Bose. He is also called J.C. Bose. In short, you can see him in army dress, right? He was the Indian National Army, head of the Indian National Army, who fought against the British to get the freedom. He was from Bengal. He is also called the Bengal Tiger. And then, who is this person? This person, over the horse, you will see, is none other than the great Lakshmi Bai. Jhansi Lakshmi Bai. Jhansi is the name of place. Okay, and because she belongs to the place and she ruled that place and she fought for that place, that's why she is titled as Jhansi Lakshmi Bai. And she was the queen of the place. That's why she is called Rani Lakshmi Bai also. Okay? Right. Now we will look at next person. Who is this person, children? He is Rabindranath Tagore. And the greatness of this person is he wrote Jana Gana Mana, the national anthem. We are singing every day no? in the assembly. Yes. Who wrote that national anthem? Written by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore is a great poet who wrote so many poems. And one of the great works is Jana Gana Mana. You can see him in the YouTube also. Original tune, he only sang, that is in the YouTube. You can check the song by him later. And now we will see the next person. Who is next person coming up? The next person is here. Who is this man? Yes. He is Mr. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the longest serving Prime Minister in our country, who fought against the British along with Mahatma Gandhi, who also was very highly educated, wrote many books, and he started so many scientific research institutes in our country. And he went to jail also for 15 years because the British put him in jail because he was fighting for freedom. So that's a great person. And on his birthday we celebrate Children's Day also, right? That is another speciality of this man. He is also called as Chacha Nehru. What is also called as? Chacha means uncle. Father's brother. Okay, father's younger brother. And the next person. This is Mr. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who is this Rajendra Prasad? He was the first president of our country. So he was also a great freedom fighter who also supported Gandhi, supported Nehru in the freedom struggle, and finally got the freedom. And then let's look at the next person. Who is this next freedom fighter? He is Mr. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is also called as Lokamanya Tilak. Okay, two names. Lokamanya Tilak is the title given to him. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is his original. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lokamanya Tilak was also a great freedom fighter. And let us look at the next freedom fighter. Who is this person? He is Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was a great poet. She is also called as Bharat Kokila. Okay, she wrote many poems and songs. She sang very nice. You can find it. Who is the next person? Do you know who is this? Who is this person? Yes, she is none other than Srimati Indira Gandhi. She is also a very great freedom fighter. She is the daughter of Nehru. Our government also started a new program, special program to develop the people. Okay, what program it is? You don't know? Okay, I will tell you. Laksha Indirama Illu. That is what they said. Laksha Indirama Illu. One house only to build it will be very, very costly. Very costly. Land we have to buy, material we have to buy, labor cost we have to pay, we have to get the permissions. Okay, it will be so many lakhs. But then, government has planned to construct lakh houses on the name of Indira Gandhi so that people can be benefited. So we have to appreciate that. Next one is Mr. Shahid Bhagat Singh. Full name is Shahid Bhagat Singh, but usually we know him as Bhagat Singh. He was a great freedom fighter. He threw bombs on the British Parliament to get the freedom for India, and he finally got. He sacrificed his life. He was hanged to death in front of all, so that nobody would dare to fight for the freedom. But even then also, many people took him as inspiration and walked in his footsteps and got the freedom. So we have to appreciate Mr. Bhagat Singh's efforts. Yeah, and now behind every man there is a woman, they will say, right? Like that means behind the man, Mr. Gandhi, there is a woman. You know who is that? She is the one. Kasturba Gandhi. She is the wife of Mr. Gandhi, who also was a freedom fighter. Generally, when we see when men are looking for freedom, women usually take care of household things because they are very much responsible at home, so they will be that. But she also took another extra responsibility to fight for freedom and joined the hands of other freedom fighters and stood as a great inspiration for many freedom fighters in India. So we appreciate all these freedom fighters. Give a clap, children, to all of them. Right. And now I see so many of you students, dressed up like those freedom fighters. Do you know who is she looking like? Yes, call her friend. Yes. Let her be in front of the camera. Yeah. Yes. Who is she looking like? Yes, she's looking like Jhansi Lakshmi Bai. So give a clap for her. Yes, very nice. Very nice. Okay, children, I'm just showing as a sample. Many of you have got ready in a wonderful way like freedom fighters. Now to show, come. Let us show one more example. There are not many examples here, but time will not be permitting us. So we're just taking one or two examples. Okay, now if you observe her, you can guess that she is looking like Bharat Mata, isn't it? Bharat Mata means our country only. Okay, so we have to appreciate the parents, all the parents, for sending their children in a very nice, colorful way in freedom fighters dress. That's nice. God bless you. Take it easy. Okay, here I conclude my speech. We'll continue with the rest of the programs.
Thank you, sir. Everybody clap and spell a very good wonderful speech. Now I call upon Harvita from nursery class. She have very wonderful and she very talented child. She is going to give a speech. Come Harvita.
Hi, wheelchair.
Morning everyone. My name is Harvita. I am studying nursery. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August of every year. Thank you. Jai Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
Wow, Harviti. Very good. You did a very good job. Clap hands for her, everybody. Wow. Next. I call upon Mrs. Monica teacher. Come forward. Now teacher will give a speech.
Good morning, everyone. Respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear students, today is 15th August. First, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. This year, we are celebrating 80th Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival of India. We got independence on 15th of August 1947 from the British rule. It is the greatest festival of democracy. On this day, we remember our brave freedom fighters. Independence Day teaches us power of unity. I am proud to be an Indian. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher. You have given a wonderful speech. Now we perform a very special. Now we perform a very special song by principal sir and teachers. Please come forward.
Thank you.
Yes? Perform a beautiful dance by our little champs. Come forward, children. All.